Ready to learn the C minor scale? Let's make it quick and simple. Perfect for beginners looking to conquer this essential musical skill. First, the treble clef. Imagine the C note on the first ledger line below the staff. Now let's climb the musical ladder step by step. Move up to the third space on the staff. That completes our C minor octave. Now for the bass clef. Picture C on the second space of the staff. Climb up those lines to the first ledger line and you'll find your C octave once again. Remember, these are 3 flats: B flat, E flat and A flats that feature in the key signature or C minor. They're always in that particular order. Later on in the video, we'll be uncovering a secret, that being the relative major scale. Keep watching to learn more and deepen your understanding. The scale consists of 7 notes that follow a specific pattern. Now, why is the scale so important? It's like the building blocks of music. That's because each note has a specific relationship, creating different moods and sounds. Let's talk chords. The C minor triad is like a musical trio, made up of the notes C, E flat, and G. These notes work together to create harmonious sound. Harmonizing the minor scale is like building a musical house. You use chords that fit the scale's notes, and this helps you understand how music works and how to create your own songs. Want to find the relative major scale? It's easy. Just count 3 steps forward from the tonic notes. This is the first note of the scale. Now, are you ready to take your musical skills to the next level? The circle of fifths is a must-know for any beginner. Let's explore it together, shall we?